To remove and install the battery on your Pro XD midsize gas, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park and remove the key. Next, pull the rear of the seat up to free it from the grommets and release the seat retention point to remove. Storage compartment was removed for video purposes. Next, if a conventional battery is equipped, remove the battery vent tube. Then loosen the negative battery cable fastener under the fuse panel first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Continue by pulling the red cover off the positive cable. Then loosen the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Next, remove the battery bracket fastener. Then slide the battery towards the passenger side of the vehicle to unlock the battery bracket. Continue by carefully lifting the battery out towards the rear of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery and the battery box using a clean dry cloth. Then install the battery by lowering in and sliding forward into the battery holder. Continue by reinserting the battery bracket into the mounting hole and slide the battery toward the driver's side of the vehicle to secure the bracket. Next, reinstall the battery bracket fastener and fully tighten. Reconnect the positive cable first to prevent arcing and fully tighten. Then reposition the positive cable cover over the terminal. Continue by reconnecting the negative cable to the terminal and fully tighten. Then verify the cables are secure and properly routed with the cables safely tucked away at the front and rear of the battery. Before continuing, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reinstall the seat by sliding the retention tabs into the front of the seat base and press down firmly on the rear to fully seat into the grommets. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.